what's going on, guys? Marbz here. Today I'm bringing you a special recipe, also a special request from a friend on how to make camarones a la plancha, a type of shrimp that you typically see on your micheladas. It's a very tasty recipe and I hope you guys enjoy because I will be showing you guys step by step as I try to make it as simple as possible. We'll be making this recipe super fast. I hope you guys enjoy this video and I'll show you guys the process. Stay tuned. Alrighty, here are our ingredients for our sauce, our saucy sauce. This is Chile, California. This is Serrano. This is not a jalapeno, and these are really spicy. Also, I have a really big garlic clove that I cut in half just so you guys can see that you can just use 2 garlic cloves, and I'm actually gonna be cutting this like in about a 1/4 maybe for this portion because I don't really need a lot of onion. Also, I'm gonna be adding some garlic salt, and I'm gonna be putting some salt, and we all know this salsa. I got a tomato, and I'm gonna be putting these in to boil so they can soften up to make it easier for it to get blended, and we'll see that right now. Alright, here we go. I apologize for the dirty stove and the rest of the kitchen is a little dirty. And I'm just gonna throw in all my chiles just to soften them up. Just kind of, you know, estimate what you're feeling. I got my Serrano. I cut off the tail because I don't want to be dealing with it later while I'm throwing it in the blender. I got my quarters of my tomato. I actually decided to cut them this time around just because it makes the process a little bit easier and faster. Also, I got my quarter onion. This is a really big onion, and you can use any onion, honestly. You can use a yellow, white. I don't use the red onion just because it's very strong, and this one's strong as well, this white one. But that's exactly why I'm only using a little bit for this sauce. And yeah, we're just gonna wait for it to soften up a little bit, get it all warmed up. Alrighty, getting ready to put the sauce to get blended now. Well, not the sauce because it's not a sauce yet. It's still solid, so we're gonna make it a sauce. Anyway, so we're gonna throw in our ingredients, which are, like I mentioned before, our onion. We got our onion. Our tomatoes are very soft already, pretty warm, which is ideal because you don't want a cold sauce after you make your shrimp. Nobody wants cold shrimp, right? I mean, not this type of shrimp. So we got our chiles, and that's a lot of chile. Anyway, here's the rest. We got our Serrano. Give it that kick, you know. And the rest of the onion. We got our garlic cloves. And I guess we'll throw a little bit of the sauce. I mean, of the water. In there. Just to give a little bit of extra flavor. And I forgot to mention that this sauce also, well, it's kind of common sense because everything has limon. And, so I'm going to put half a lime for now. Just to not try to make it not too acidic because you don't want it to be too acidic. It'll kill the flavor and all you'll be tasting is lemon or lime, sorry. You could also use lemon, but ideally lime's better. So we're just gonna throw in a little bit of our lime in there. We got our Valentina. I didn't want to put any names out there, but we all know this is Valentina, come on. A fresh bottle of Valentina. So I'm just gonna throw it in to taste. I'm just gonna put a little bit for now, like I said, okay, that's not a little bit, that's a lot. It's probably like about three tablespoons, or no, 3 teaspoons. I don't fucking know. I don't know measurements. I don't know math. Just, it's to taste. And you can even do this after you've blended it, just so you can keep trying it as you go. And all right, so we're gonna put some garlic salt. I love me some garlic salt. I'm gonna put a little bit just because this stuff tends to make me a little gassy. Sorry, a little TMI, but true, it's true. Like I get a little gassy, okay? Anyway, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of this just for some extra flavoring, and a little bit of the salt. We all know what salt this is. I don't want to put any brands out here. Just a little bit, because I am really bad with salt. I swear, like I don't know how to measure salt for shit. So I just always put a little bit of salt, just because everything else has some sodium in it. So and plus the lime's acidic, so we don't need a lot of salt. And we're gonna get ready to blend this. Also, you don't want to put too much liquid because you're gonna end up blending. You're gonna end up having to strain it. Sorry, and you don't want to strain it because you're gonna get rid of all that good flavor. And get it going. Okay. So you guys see how that stalled? Yeah, it's because there's not a lot of liquid in there. So you just want to like press, you know, like top first, get it going, and then you just puree. Tasting spoon. This is exactly why I had it already. I always keep going back and forth. This is me in the kitchen all the time. Back and forth looking for stuff. You're looking for utensils and all this stuff. If you can see from afar that it is a little thick. You want it to be thick. So, I don't know about this combo. I mean, it's good. It's not sweet. I think I put too much lime. So, like I said, remember lime is very acidic, so we don't want to put too much lime. And I think it just needs a little bit more salt. So I'm just gonna put in a little bit more salt, just because I suck at putting salt. Remember I said that. I'm just gonna throw in a little bit more salt and a little bit more of the garlic salt, just to give it a little flavor. And also, if we remember that I just put in some Valentina, maybe you shouldn't do the Valentina right when you blend this. So you probably just do it after, because yeah, it's very acidic. There's a lot of vinegar in this, and then there's a lime, there's a salt. So you don't want to mix all that at first. You just want to kind of get it to your taste, and then you kind of figure out what you want in the sauce, just for taste. Alrighty. And to my friend that requested this, I hope you like this recipe. Like, there we go. Now that's better. Okay, that's perfect. Sometimes you can even throw a little bit of this stuff, and it's the tomato Knorr. Or you could even put some of this stuff. I know a lot of people use this stuff for anything, honestly. For everything and anything. Here we go. I think I might just add a little bit of this, and I don't have to blend this. I'll just throw in a little bit of this for a more tomatoey taste, because I like my stuff with a lot of tomato. I don't know if you guys like tomatoey stuff, but I love tomatoey stuff. So here's the sauce, and this video is already really long, but whatever. It's just a recipe that was requested of, and this is one way, and I hope you enjoy this, friend. You know who you are. And let me have a little bit of my smoothie. All right, so let's get cooking. So we got our pan. We're gonna heat it up. We're gonna put it at a, you know, medium to between medium and high level. Wow, I just remembered the freaking ingredient that I love of all time. which is black pepper, ground pepper. Yeah, I think that's what it was. You know, sometimes I don't know what I'm thinking. I don't know why I forget things. So we're definitely gonna put in some, see, look at the camera's all messed up. And you know why I remember this? Because I was looking for the damn oil. So we got our pepper. Wow. Wow, I call myself a cook and I forgot the main ingredient to take. This isn't even black pepper. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Marveling, I swear. Where the hell is the black pepper? Oh hey, oh my god, I am so blind. I'm so blind. Shit. You know, I might as well put in some of this tomato stuff. Oh, I already did. Fuck. I might as well put some chile. I mean, what is this called? Damn, I don't know what I'm talking about. Some Knorr. Since I'm gonna be blending it again. Put all this stuff back because then I can clean up later. Throw all that back in there. And just one quick blend and we should be fine together. Alrighty, it's ready. I think. Oh, of course that's what it was. Back to the frying. So we're gonna fry our shrimp first. Here's our shrimp. You can see our lovely shrimp. Oh my goodness, I don't even want to touch it, it's kind of gross. Here's our shrimp cut between. Let me just get some tongs because I'm gonna need them anyway. Alrighty, so you guys hear that sizzling? Ready. So we're gonna throw in our shrimps. Ah! There's water on them, so that's why it's freaking splattering over here. And we're gonna put in the sauce, or put the sauce over it as it's still on the pan, just so the sauce gets a little bit of that cooking going. And here's the sauce. Put it over our shrimp. Da 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 da. Can you focus, please? Ba da da da. I need to change the settings on this camera because it's not focusing. Just kidding. Oh my goodness, this is bomb. And click that like button if your mouth is watering, because mine is watering as I'm eating it. And you know what? I'm just gonna have another one just for... Wow. Just grab it with your hand. That's not how you use chopsticks. Mmm. They're bomb. They're good, huh?
Can I eat them?
Yeah, I'm gonna make more. But anyway, so this is the end of the video. If you guys really enjoyed the process in making this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe because I will be making more videos cooking and just for Christmas and the Vlogmas and all that. You know, just give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Give me some motivation to keep going and making some videos because this takes a long time. It's a process and I really appreciate if you do. Enjoy the recipe. Hopefully you guys get it to the taste that you like.
And it's bomb as fuck.
I'll see you guys later. Peace.